Hello guys, I'm Karan Raja and here I'm going to tell you about this website that might affect graphic designer, and this might change the world for the graphic designer, and because this website can do whatever that graphic designer can do alone. So the website called adcreative.ai. So I recently saw this ad to my Instagram feed that this AI can generate ad, social media creatives, and even a writing according to the brand and audience. Now people who are from designing background knows about the social media post and the ad design and everything else. Basically, graphic designer can design a post or an ad for a small business owner who wants to grow their social media, or who wants to sell more products online. But this AI website can generate these designs for the small business owner in really affordable price, and they don't need to hire any full-time graphic designer or any ad agency. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.